Hey Troubleholics, please don't mind the hair or the jacked up shadow and the fact that I have no mascara on. But anyways, this video is about the lips and that's what we're focusing on. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, first off, we're going to start off with a concealer. I am using the Loreal Pro Glow Concealer. I'm applying that all around the lips. And then I blend it all out with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, whichever one you may have. Next is translucent powder. I am using the Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just going to pretty much pat that on all around the lips. This is going to help it mattify better. And then going in with this lip liner. This is the one by Nabela Noor and e.l.f. I'm just pretty much putting in my lips and then I'm just tracing above the cupid's bow, if that makes sense. This is how you're going to start off. Then there's 2 points, your cupid's bow points, and you're going to start from there and you're going to bring it down. And as you go down, you're going to cut in. You're not going to follow your actual line of your lips at the end there. I hope that makes sense. So you're going down and then you're just gonna cut in as you go down, you see? If you guys like videos like this, make sure you hit the like button on this video, you guys. It'll help me out a lot. And don't forget to tuck in the lip. That will help perfect the line. I'm telling you, this is so easy to do. Alright, so we are all done with the top lip and now we're moving on to the bottom. And we're going to start off right here at the bottom of this lip. You're going to tuck in the lip. Don't forget to tuck in the lip, you guys. You really have to tuck the lip in to get this look perfected. And there's the first line. And then I'm just going to outline the rest of the lip following that line. And when you get to the inner corner, you're going to like bring it in as well. Pretty much the same thing we did at the top, at the outer corner. That's what we're doing to the bottom lip as well. Then you're going to go over everything again, make sure everything's evened out and that your lips aren't crooked and weird looking because, you know, your lips are supposed to look sexy. I love this lip liner, you guys. Now we're going to be using a brush. I'm using this one. This one's like a really thin, flat brush. And I'm just going to blend the liner out a little bit, bringing it downwards onto the lip as well. And this is just going to like blend that liner out so it doesn't look so like harsh, if that makes sense. Also, my lips look crusty, but it's not my lips, it's the concealer. When you apply the concealer, it makes your lips look like this, okay? And now for the liquid lipstick. I love this lipstick so much. This is the Loreal Superstay collection, and this is the shade Driver. So you're gonna fill in the lips and you're gonna stay in the line, almost like a coloring book. The reason why I say this is because when you go to smudge your lips together, as you guys can see here, the lip color goes up. So then I'm gonna go back in with that lip pencil and just fix the line a little bit wherever I may have lost some of that liner. And yeah. Now back to the concealer. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I'm putting it in the back of my hand and using that brush that I smudged everything out. Obviously I cleaned the brush, but you're just going to pretty much fix anywhere that you kind of messed up the liner, so that way it's like perfect. You want that perfect pout and you don't want no smudges. And then you're gonna bring out that beauty blender again and blend it all out very carefully, making sure you don't mess up all of the work you just did. And that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. That is it for today's video. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Nope. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hey Troubleholics, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. My name is Joanna and I can't wait for you guys to continue to see some videos. No.